Hey there, designer friends. I wanted to quickly show you how you can export GIFs and videos using our new plugin here. You can see it's on the Figma store as well. So if I go here to my animation, simple animation, 3 frames, and I go and I find my plugin, it's called export to GIF, and then I simply run it. It will load a preview of the plugin, of the animation, and it will let me quickly export it. There's a couple of options we can set as well, and more things coming up. That's where disable things, but we can click export here, and we're pretty much done as soon as it finishes processing all of those frames, and it'll let me save it here. So let me save it here, and here's the animation, and you can give us some feedback here if you liked it or not. More features are coming every day, and it'll be automatically updated. Yeah, let us know what you think. Thank you so much. Bye bye.